you need to open Visual Studio Code on the server. And then you need to open folder with our project Data Scrapper tool. Just clicking on it. Okay, so now we're here. Step number 2, you need to run the recovery script to recover our Linux desktop. In the Visual Studio Code, please here switch to the terminal, and inside of the terminal you need to run script with name recovery xfce desktop inside of the scripts folder. So you can click on the top button to set the proper path to this script and click enter. So it will recover the Linux desktop. So okay, now it's done. And step number 3, you need to connect the Linux desktop with the VNC client. So here we have Tight VNC, and here we have saved connection. So just click to the connect button and provide our password, which I will share with you later. And here we have our Linux desktop. Next step, you need to run Chrome, Google Chrome web browser, and install our Chrome extensions. How you can do it? You click in by icon to run the Google Chrome. So let's choose Google as default, and let's install of our 4 Chrome extensions. You need to click on this button, go to the extensions, manage extensions. So here you need to switch to the developer mode, and now we are ready to install our extensions. So click on this button, load unpacked, and here inside of the user folder we have such folder with name extensions, and here we have 4 of our extensions. Let's install it one by one. So inside of each of this folder we have another folder with name public, so we need to choose this public folder and click open. So the first extension installed. Let's do it for the rest of them. Okay, now 4 of our extension installed. So now let's add it to the let's click on this button to pin all of our 4 extensions. So now we have it here. Okay, now we need as the next step, we need to open 4 separate Google Chrome windows. Make sure that you have 4 separate windows, not 4 tabs. So we need separate window for each of our extension. So let's do it like this. For example, this window will be for the first extension. So I'm clicking on the extension icon and I have it here. And let's do the same thing for the rest of them. Okay, and now we are ready to start it. So all you have to do, just click on this start icon for each of our 4 extensions. Let's do it like this. Let's click. Oh, it's asking us to provide the API endpoint. So it's always the same, HTTP. So the first extension started. Let's do the same thing for the second one. So here we already have the proper API endpoint. So just click in start button. Here also have everything. Just click here to start. And what we have here, here we need to provide. I will fix it later. So by default, it always be the backend will always be set as default, so you don't need to do anything, but I will fix it a bit later. So okay, 4 of our Chrome extensions started, and we can close this VNC client, so as we don't need it anymore. And now the last step which we need to do is just our Visual Studio Code one more time, and we need to run another script with name restart failed ex. So again, restarting, typing the folder name, scripts, then restart, then we can click on the tab button and it will set the proper path to the file. Restart failed ex. Click enter. So that's it. System should be running again.